Welcome to Viral Combo Volna 13, Deep Fried Deluxe. First up, Nashville Hot Chicken Egg Rolls. Spicy, cheesy, and oh so crispy. Fill egg roll wrappers with spicy fried chicken and cheddar. Roll tight. Deep fry until golden, then brush with hot oil or glaze. Next, deep fried cheesecake pops. Sweet, creamy, and irresistible. Dip frozen cheesecake bites in batter, fry until puffed and golden. Dust with powdered sugar, drizzle with chocolate, and serve warm. This combo is crispy, creamy, and fire-packed. Try it out and taste the viral sensation for yourself. Don't miss out on this deep-fried delight.